In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a standard operating procedure, or SOP, in ClickUp. Whether you're a business professional hoping to streamline operations, or just someone looking to organize workflows, an SOP template in ClickUp can be a lifesaver. It's a fantastic tool that helps you document processes in a way that's clear, repeatable, and scalable. Today, I'll walk you through each step of setting up your very own SOP in ClickUp, ensuring you have everything you need to get started smoothly. To begin, we first need to access the SOP template. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Type in SOP template ClickUp to get started. This will bring up various resources, but we're looking specifically for ClickUp's free offerings. Once you spot the link to the free SOP template on ClickUp, go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to ClickUp's dedicated page for SOP templates. You'll notice a section where they offer these templates for free, allowing you to explore different options. Click on Get Free Template to proceed. It's wonderful that ClickUp offers these templates at no cost, greatly aiding in creating standardized workflows. Next, you'll be directed to a new page within ClickUp, which features a button labeled Use Template. By clicking this button, you're effectively importing this predefined structure into your own ClickUp workspace. It saves you time and simplifies the process significantly, since the template is already expertly designed for common SOP needs. In the next step, after the template loads, you'll see the Next button prompt on your screen. Clicking Next will guide you through the process of customizing this template if necessary to suit your specific organizational needs. This bit is crucial as different processes might require unique changes or additions. Be sure to think through what unique aspects your SOP might require. Finally, as you navigate through the customization, you'll encounter an option to highlight. This tool is incredibly useful for drawing attention to specific parts of your SOP, whether they're particularly important steps or areas that are often overlooked. Utilizing this feature can greatly enhance clarity and understanding for anyone following the SOP in the future. And there you have it, a simple guide to setting up and customizing your SOP in ClickUp. With this in hand, you can begin to create well-documented processes that enhance productivity and maintain consistency across your projects. Remember, as you become more comfortable with the platform, don't hesitate to explore additional features to make your SOPs even more effective. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your ClickUp adventures.